Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button, like this. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face. Press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch, like this. You can also change the watch face via the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here. On our phone, let's open the XIAOMI Wear application. Of course, our phone needs to be paired with our watch via this application. Now, you should see the status page in the app. Tap on the profile icon right here. And on the profile page, you should see the watch faces category. Tap on it. And here we have the list of watch faces available on our watch. And we can change the watch face simply by tapping on one and tapping on apply, like this. Okay. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.